Hello viewers, welcome to day 1 of learning a new driving skill. So today we are going to see how to make a 3-point turn in an easy and efficient way. By watching this video, I hope even a new rider can able to do the 3-point turn in an easiest way. So before proceeding to the video, if you are not subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe it immediately so you can able to view the future videos of the same kind. So without wasting much more time, let's proceed to the video. Before start driving, always ensure if it is safe to do, proceed with all the steps which I am telling. Okay, because during the complete process, always ensure no vehicle is approaching towards you while you're driving. Okay, so after checking all your mirror as well as a blind spot, put your indicator towards your left and make sure the gear is in the drive mode. Okay, so once after checking all this, turn the steering towards your left and slightly give the accelerator. The moment you start giving the accelerator, the car starts turning towards your left. Make sure you're doing it very slowly, and after that put your indicator towards your right and also make your gear shifted towards your reverse. Before giving the accelerator, turn the steering completely towards your right. I mean the full steering has to be turned towards your right, and give the accelerator slowly, just slowly. By doing this process, make sure no vehicle is nearby. Okay, so once you've taken a reverse to adequate amount, change the indicator towards your left and change the gear towards drive and move the steering completely towards your left and give this accelerator slowly. By doing this, you can able to make the 3-point in a successful way. Okay, I hope the process is very simple and everyone can able to understand it very easily. So few things which you need to ensure is don't get panic while taking the 3-point turn, and also make sure there is no vehicle is approaching towards you. You need to ensure this process completely through while you're driving. So I hope you like the video. So in order to get more videos like this and in order to learn more driving skills, kindly subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.